Hi everyone, Chef Petey back again with another installment of the COVID-19 pandemic cooking series. Today is episode number 8, Shrimp Chow Fun. What the heck is Chow Fun, you may ask? Chow Fun is a wide rice noodle stir-fried with different vegetables in a soy sauce-based concoction. As with all the dishes that we've been cooking so far, this one is simple, quick, and delicious. Let's get busy. All right, the ingredients we need. I have 14 peel and deveined white shrimp. All right, and I will talk about the seasoning in a bit here. But you can also use any protein: chicken, beef, pork, fried tofu, or just vegetables would be just fine. All right, so what I did on here was half a tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of rice wine, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, and half a tablespoon of oil. And what you want to do is you want to marinate it and stick it in the refrigerator for a couple hours minimum. All right, as for chow fun, we have you can either do the dried chow fun noodle, which looks like this. It's probably about a ½ inch or a ¼ inch wide, and you can just get them at the Asian grocery store. Similar with this one here. This is the fresh one, and I prefer the fresh one, but a lot of times you can't, it's hard to get. So, but if you can get it, this is in the refrigerated section. I have 1 cup of the bean sprouts. I have a ¼ cup of jumbo onion. I have shiitake mushroom. I have 4. It's all cut up. Remember that you want to soak this for a good hour to 2 hours, and then squeeze the water out, and then cut it into slices or slivers. All right, and that fresh mushroom, that's really optional. We have extra fresh mushroom. I just want to use it up, so I got about a cup of fresh mushrooms. You also want to get green onions, 3 to 4 green onions chopped up. That's optional. We don't like green onions, to be honest with you, so we choose not to put that in. You can also put red bell peppers, maybe a ¼ cup. I don't have that on hand, but that's optional. But I do have a ¼ cup of the carrots slivered. For the sauce, so we're gonna make this ahead of time. You have half a tablespoon of minced ginger, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. It's in here already. 1½ tablespoon of light soy, half a tablespoon of dark soy, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and 2 tablespoons of water, dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper powder. All right, so let's put the sauce together. We basically put all the seasoning in except the ginger and garlic. So we got the soy, light soy, dark soy, got the sugar, got the rice wine, white pepper powder, and the water. And just mix it until the sugar dissolves. And oh, I almost forgot. You definitely want to put some sesame oil, and just a dash. Okay, now we're gonna cook the noodle. All right, we got the water boiling. Just gonna put half the package in here. This is a 2-pound package, so I'm just gonna do it's a 16 ounce. Just a quick blanch. And then we will strain this out. Okay, just gonna get about half a tablespoon of oil. Let that heat up. I'm gonna put the shrimp in. Basically, we're just gonna cook it about 3/4 done. Alright, I'm going to put that aside. Now, get a little bit more oil in here. We put the aromatics in. Ginger, garlic goes in. And onion goes in. Shiitake mushroom, fresh mushroom, and carrots. Now we put the noodle. Now we're going to add the sauce. Now we add the shrimp. And finally the bean sprouts. And also if you're going to put onions, this would be a good time to put in the onions. The green onions. Another option is if you want to put hot pepper oil, this would be a good time to put some hot pepper oil also. And that is it. For the taste test, I got the shrimp, I got a mushroom. Very flavorful. Got a good flavor. Okay, so I hope you check it out. And if you like, thumbs up please, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.